It's important to use AI tools responsibly. Below, you'll find more information about this. As you build your knowledge of AI, make sure to consider the potential dangers and risks. A good rule of thumb is to first use it as an exploration tool. Once you understand it better, you can utilize it for more complex tasks.
All right, let's get started. We're going to go through a fun activity to use AI for creating children's books. I'm trying to get my daughter to be more interested in reading, so I thought this would be a fun project. The first thing you're going to do is open up ChatGPT or navigate to the site. In order to access the GPT feature, you do have to have the paid account. So once you're inside ChatGPT, select the Explore option. You will see the option to create a GPT. Select the option and start building. Let's start by describing what we want to create. You can also use ChatGPT to give you ideas about this, but we're going to go ahead and write in what we're trying to make. So for this example, I want to create a children's book that is for ages 5 to 8 and something that is exciting, easy to follow, encouraging, and fun. I want it to use some sight words that I'm going to upload from a CSV file. So I'll go ahead and upload that as well. And then I also want to tell this GPT to make sure that the books are no longer than 10 pages and each page should be 2 short sentences and have an image associated to it. You'll be prompted to answer some more questions to build your GPT. If you don't like suggested images or the name of the GPT, you can always change that or update that later. Continue with answering the questions, making sure that you're comfortable and like what you see. So in this image, I want to update this to make sure it represents what I'm trying to show. So I'm going to say, hey, can you also add a boy and a girl? So make sure to make your adjustments as you see fit. And once you're ready, try out the GPT, make sure it's doing what you want it to do. In my example, it's actually not creating an image for every page in the book. So I'm going to continue testing and making sure that it's doing what I want it to do. And if it's not, I'm going to continue prompting it to make sure it does what I want it to do. So now I've built my GPT. You see here, it's called Story Sprout, and I have now created a GPT. And now it's time for you to try yours out. You can also try this out for yourself. My daughter created her first story in the Story Sprout GPT, and I will share that with you here at the bottom. Thank you. Enjoy.